Okay, I'm here on deck 9, and I'm gonna go into the Commodore Club, which I only just discovered, like 5 seconds ago. I'm not even kidding, I just ran into it. I'm not gonna talk because there are people in there and they'll think I'm crazy, so just figure it out for yourself because I know nothing about it. Okay, so I'm guessing that's the posh upper class part, because they were talking about Shakespearean drama crap and sipping champagne and bubbly. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to my stateroom. It's almost 2:30 in the morning, and I'm pretty tired. So, I'll finish my tour like later, so I'll probably be wearing different clothes. So